Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amy if you're new here, and today we are going to try out the new Kiss, well I guess it says new on the corner. I don't know if it's really new, but it's a Kiss brush on gel kit. Salon nails made simple. Soaks off quicker than acrylics and glue-ons. Formula dries in under 5 minutes. And then that's what the little packaging looks like. And then I've got all the stuff already set out here. The brush on glue, the brush cleaner, the activator, and then the instructions here. I've already sized my nails. I already started. I put one on. I kind of need to file the side, but we're going to get to that in a minute. I'm going to end up trimming them down a little bit, I think. Maybe not much, but just a little bit. But we're going to glue all of these on. And then we will start getting to the fun part of applying all of this stuff, and I will show you all of that. But if you are new here, please remember to share, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell and set it to all notifications so you know every time I upload. I do try to upload once a week, usually about midweek. I'm actually thinking of switching up the day I upload. If you guys have any ideas or any preferences, please let me know in the comments below. But I will be right back. Actually, let me show you the process of gluing them on. Like I said, I already got one on, but we'll go to the next finger here. And you just take some of your glue. Let me tilt this so you guys can see everything I am doing. So you're just going to take some of your brush on gel here, and there's like a little well in there, and you're just going to brush that in there. You don't want too much because it will ooze everywhere, but you don't want too little or it won't stick. Okay, we're going to, let's see if you can see that very well. Lay that onto the tip. Like that, and then you're just going to twist. Well, you don't want to twist, you just kind of move these up and down until they pop off, like so. Alright, I will be right back. I'm going to do that to the rest of my fingers. Alright, so I've put them all on, and now we are going to take and just file them into shape. And I always end up with kind of the same squoval-y shape, so I'm making a mess. So my filing abilities are semi-questionable. I get the basic shape down. So I'm going to work on this, and I will be right back. All right, now that we are all filed and shaped, all right, it says dab a small amount of the brush cleaner along the seam and then buff. Okay. And that just makes a nice flush area. Well, I'm not like grinding over it. I'm just kind of had some glue go everywhere, so I'm just trying to get the excess off the top before we start so we don't get some weirdness going on. And just kind of taking the shine out of that tip just to make sure we get good application. And I have wiped over my nails with alcohol. I did that to take away the dust and the shine after I buffed them. And we'll do it again just to make sure we get all of the dust off. So I guess I'm holding this where you really can't see, but if you see here, it's just blended that whole thing in there. So we're going to do that again on this nail. It's really hard to get a good angle sometimes. So I'm just going to go through and I'm going to buff. I'm under, do I set back? Trying to get a good angle so you can see that I'm just kind of buffing over here. I'm not going in and scrubbing at it. I'm just kind of buffing to help it blend and to take that shine off. So I'm going to go ahead and finish that on all my nails and I will be right back. All right, now that we've got that done, we are going to apply. It says here, apply an even layer of brush on gel to one nail as you would polish without delay. Apply brush on activator at the same time on that same wet gel. So that's what we're going to do. I know I have stuff everywhere. Story of my life. Trying to make sure I get a good even layer all the way across. Then we're going to go in with activator. Like so, and I've made a mess of this. And then we're going to repeat that on all your nails. So I will do that and I will be right back. Alright, so here's after the first coat. It says to repeat the process a second time. And to be honest, I may even do a third time just to make sure they're good and strong. So, and you do that and then you apply it with finish with a thin layer of gel as you would your nail top coat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and finish all of my nails. And I will come back and show you my finished product. So I will be right back. Alright guys, so there we go. That is them. I am going to wash my hands, get all the dust and stuff off of it, and finish with some cuticle oil. I am going to be doing a Halloween nail design. So watch for that video. And until next time, love you guys, and we'll see you soon.